Is it possible? I thought it's too good to be true. The only collagen peptide mask in the world that can actually remove the wrinkles from your face. I didn't believe it, even though people, they just posted the before and after pictures. Still, I said it's too good to be true. I had to try myself. So I got one. So let me introduce this amazing collagen mask, Maria Badesu, which is basically loved by everyone, and it's got huge good reviews, so that we can go and try it. If this is what they say, it's a miracle. I'm gonna order 10 of this. Before trying this, I've linked down this product for you at the description box of the video, as well as the first comment, and you can go and order it from your country of residence. Let's go and try this mask to see how it works. Okay guys, it's in the morning. I just woke up and cleansed my face. As you can see, there are a little bit of fine lines over my forehead, and I'm going to apply this mask and I'm gonna show you before and after result. Alright, now I'm gonna let it fully dry and then I'll come back. Alright, I'm back. As you can see, I can't talk properly because it's completely dried. I'm going to clean it, wash it, and show you the result. Okay guys, I'm back and I want to show you my skin after washing it, but before that I need to tell you, to empower this process, I wash my face with donkey milk soap, which is a very powerful anti-wrinkle soap, which make this process much more effective on removals of wrinkles. So after that, I'm gonna show you my forehead. As you can see, it looks much smoother. Of course, my skin feels much smoother and a lot more fresh, and my forehead, as you can see, the fine lines is much reduced. So I can give a thumbs up to this collagen peptide mask, and I recommend it. It's really nice and it's a fast thing. You don't need to wait a long time to this to get dry. And also I'm going to link down the donkey milk soap as well as this on the description box of the video, as well as the first comment. You can get it for yourself from your country of residence if you wish for. I have introduced the donkey milk on my other videos. If you haven't seen it, please go and watch it so you will know what it is. Bye for now, and I see you soon.